Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So finally the day has come when I'm sitting down and filming this most requested video on my channel. Please share your favorite smudge proof and waterproof kajal. There are so many kajals in the market, and I must tell you, as the years are passing by, I do feel brands come out with some stunning kajals and stunning formula. But slowly I have realized giving us a smooth, buttery, easy application, intensely black kajal, a lot of brands are missing on this one important factor. Is it smudge proof? Is it going to bleed on the eyes, or is it going to stay for longer? Are these three things I think now a lot of brands are missing? And yes, it has been happening. Past 1 year was not a great year for me buying a kajal, or I would say liners as well. I was highly disappointed with a lot of different kajals and liners. I will soon make a video on that as well, but today I'm going to be showing you 7 kajals which I do feel they stay well, good pricing, and yes, to some extent they are good water resistant kajal as well. Now nothing is waterproof, I would say, because your eyes are going to water, or your eyes can be a little oily as well, so that also plays a very important role. But these kajals, I've seen these stay well for longer hours, and you don't have to go in with multiple touch-ups. Most of these kajals, you don't really have to go in with a touch-up, but if you really have to, then it has to be only once. But the longevity on all of these 7 kajals are really good. They are black kajals, they are smooth, buttery and easy application. Some of the kajals have different shades also to choose from, so you will know everything in this video. Everything will be linked in my description if you are interested in any of the single kajals I show you today. But you will not be disappointed if you get one for yourself. You will definitely love the kajal. So let's just get into the kajals right away. Now most of the kajals are available on Nykaa.com. There's only one kajal I would say you have to buy from an Instagram page or from the website directly, and I think this is the only expensive kajal I'm going to show you today, is the Tarte Sex Killer Must Kajal. Now this kajal is like a staple kajal. This is intensely black kajal. It is water resistant and it is easy application, and it just stays on. The best way to make your kajal last longer is to apply a little on your upper lash line as well. That's a pretty difficult part. That is why I never do that on camera, because or else you'll see some funny faces. But you can do that as well, or else what you can do, you can apply your normal kajal the way you put it on your waterline. Do this at least 2 to 3 times. The kajal you'll see generally transfers on your upper lid, and then you can redo the waterline. That's how you make your kajal more long lasting, and it doesn't transfer on your upper lid again. So that's how I do it a lot of times. That's like a small tip I give you. Now this kajal is definitely a good kajal. Now international brands, I don't expect them to make very intensely black kajal, because I don't see them wearing too many kajals. But this one is definitely one of the best kajals I've used in high-end. It is black, it is smudge proof, it is waterproof, and it just glides on. So where should I swatch it? Maybe here I'll swatch it. So I've taken a little bit product, I don't want to waste it. So I'm going to swatch it right in front of you, and you see that's like one swatch of this kajal, and it just stays on. I'm going to give you a little close-up as well. It is a matte kajal, it doesn't smudge, it doesn't budge, and it is going to stay where you put it. This is one of those kajals, even if you have watery eyes, it's not gonna bleed, it's not gonna budge. Yes, that's how it has been made. So if you want to invest in a good water resistant kajal, smudge proof, and you don't mind paying a little extra, try getting this one. You can get it from 2 Instagram pages. I have bought mine from the Beauty Lounge India. You can get yours. They take Tarte orders, but get it in a good discount. You will still end up saving a lot here, because you're getting a good kajal and you don't waste a lot of product here. So yes, a worth trying kajal by Tarte. Moving on in this video, let's start with some drugstore. First up, I have this Sugar Twist and Shout Fade Proof Kajal in the shade 01 Black Velvet. Now, frankly speaking, this is one of the best kajals done by Sugar. Sugar has a lot of different kajals, but I feel this is the one to go for. It is only for, I think, $299 or $499. I don't remember. Everything will be listed and mentioned on the screen. I'll give you a live swatch here next to the Tarte one. Okay, I will end up breaking my kajal. So this is how the Sugar one looks like. It's very similar to the Tarte one. The formula, the texture, again a kajal which is matte. It is going to hold up. It is not going to move, it is not going to budge, and you don't have to go in with multiple touch-ups again with this kajal. So for the pricing, you're definitely getting a good kajal here. It is black, it is smooth, easy application and easily available. So if you cannot afford Tarte one, you can definitely get this one. Since I already showed you an inexpensive one, why not follow the same path and show you another one into that pricing, the K Beauty Spade Kajal. This is the only shade they have. I'm expecting more shades, I think, in this range because it has the name to it. But K Beauty has like 3 different kajals, I must tell you. They launched 3 kajals together. But out of 3, this is the only one which I loved because I feel it is black, it is smooth, it stays well on the eyes, and it is the most inexpensive one. I'll give you a live swatch. I'm swatching every kajal next to each other because at the end of the video, I'm going to show you if they smudge or not. So I'm swatching the K Beauty one just next to the Sugar one, and you can see how black it is. And I must tell you, this is the blackest out of all the 3 they have. At least I feel so because I have others also, but I use only this one the most. Reason being, it stays on, it glides on, and I don't have to go in with like multiple touch-ups. So yes, this is definitely a worth trying kajal by K Beauty. If you're looking for a good, affordable, smudge-proof kajal, this is the one because it is just not smudge proof, it is black as well, and it is going to give you those nice fuller eyes. Next, I have a very much underrated, not so talked about kajal by this brand, Swiss Beauty. So this is a Swiss Beauty Bold and Black kajal. This is how the kajal would come. Now, frankly speaking, I'm not a big fan of their whole makeup line, but if you talk about the liner and the kajal, then definitely they stand out. For the price, you're just getting a very good high quality kajal as well as liner. Liner, I have lost the count now how many I have used by Swiss Beauty. It's like a staple eyeliner in my vanity. I've shown you that liner so many times. Same goes with the kajal. Again, a staple product. This is my second kajal by Swiss Beauty, and I absolutely love it. Again, a very smooth kajal, stays on well, and it is jet black. I'm going to swatch it next to my K Beauty kajal, and you can see it is darker. It is intensely black, just like other 3 I have already shown you. Amazingly well done, and these kajals are just going to cost you, basically, specifically if I would say Swiss Beauty one, it's just going to cost you 250 rupees, and sometimes you get such amazing discount that you do not even pay 200 rupees for these kajal. So if you haven't thought of getting Swiss Beauty products, forget everything, just get the liner and the kajal and you are sorted, because you are not looking back then. You will always have the liner and the kajal in your vanity because they are definitely well done. It is black, smooth, buttery, stays on well, and yes, most importantly, it is smudge proof. Moving on in this video, next up I have another inexpensive kajal from a very well known brand, Calabar. Now Calabar has amazing kajal line. Like, you pick up their colored eyeliners, you pick up their colored kajals, you pick up their black kajal, you pick up their mesmerized kajal. Like, every single kajal they have launched is stunning. Even the retractable kajals, oh my god, they are just stunning. So yes, this is the Color Bar Mesmerize Kajal 01. It is into a retractable form. Something again well done by Color Bar. For the price, you're definitely getting an outstanding product. I'm going to show you a very similar product after this one. So this one again is smooth, very easy application, just glides on easily. I'm going to push in a little product because I don't want to waste product here. So I'm going to just swatch it in front of you. So this is the Color Bar one, this one, and you see all the kajals are black. Why am I swatching them next to each other? So that you know that they all are intensely black. They are jet black. You will not be disappointed, at least on the shade. And yes, this kajal just stays on. Once you get this one, you will keep buying this one again. This is again something well done for Indian weather. So all the kajals I've shown you so far are well made for Indian weather. And yes, this one is definitely one of those kajals which you should be trying. And for the price, I feel it is a well done kajal. And yes, it is again water resistant, smudge proof and jet black. So far I have shown you 5 kajals. All of them are into retractable form. There's only one kajal which is sharpenable. It's the Swiss Beauty one, which you have to sharpen with your normal sharpener. Any pencil sharpener you have, you can use it with this kajal. Let's move on to another interesting kajal and something again by Color Bar. And this is, I would say, one of those kajals I feel into expensive category. I bought it for the first time when I started my YouTube journey. Is the Color Bar Just Smoky Kajal. Now again, this is also into a sharpenable format, but this is one kajal where I've tried all the shades. Yes, you heard me right. I've tried their green, I've tried blue, I've tried denim, I've tried all the shades in this range. And yes, I used it for 3 years. Then I discarded all the kajal because they got expired. And then again I went back and bought the black one. This is again something which will always be available into my makeup vanity because this kajal again stays longer. It is again jet black it is, and it just stays on. Like today also I'm wearing it on my eyes. I wore this makeup I think 6-7 hours back, and before, just sitting before for this filming, I retouched. That's it. Uske pehle tak I did not do any kind of touch-ups on my eyes. I'm going to give you a swatch. So this is the Color Bar one. Again, something well done by Color Bar. This is little expensive than the last one I showed you. A little, I would say, for 650. I think this kajal is for. I think it is for 650. I don't remember the exact pricing, but it is definitely more than 500 rupees, and it is definitely one of their best launches and one of the best eye products by Color Bar. You should definitely check out Color Bar eye kajal or eyeliner section. Yes, in eyeliner there can be a mishap, but kajal definitely they have nailed it. This one is one of my favorite. I'm obsessed with this kajal. It is black, smudge proof, stays on. I don't have to go in with multiple touch-ups. For that matter, if you don't have watery eyes, if you don't have an oily skin, then I think this kajal doesn't need a touch-up. So all in all, a wonderful discovery of mine, and I think you're going to enjoy it. Just get it, you're going to love it. And now we are down to the last kajal, and something I'm just got stuck to is the Nykaa Eye Bold Kajal. Now Nykaa also has a lot of kajals, and I must tell you, all of their kajals are being done really well. But I want a kajal which is just not smooth and buttery and easily being applied. I want a kajal which is smudge proof and stays longer as well. So this is the kajal by Nykaa which you should be getting. The only drawback I see to this kajal is the packaging, because firstly it is sharpenable and secondly it is super thick. So you have to be very careful while applying this kajal. The other thing which I noticed with this kajal, which I still feel whenever I use this kajal on my waterline, whenever, like I have used it so many times, I do get this tingling sensation for like 10 seconds and then it sets down. But it has never harmed my eyes. And yes, I have heard even Shweta Vijay Nair saying that she also feels the same thing, and I was really happy to hear that, because for some reason nobody has mentioned this, and I don't know, maybe they don't feel it, but even she felt it. So I was like, okay, I'm not a bad person, somebody else also feels the same thing. So yes, if you feel that tingling thing with this kajal, don't get worried. I think there is something to it, but I still use this kajal. This is my second bullet though, and I have used so much of this kajal. I just love the way it just glides onto my eyes and just stays on. This is one of the best smudge proof kajal in a budgeted family, and it is super black. The last kajal, and this is the Nykaa I Am Bold. So you see how black it is, like it is like jet black. It will just fulfill the desire of you putting an extreme jet black kajal. Though Nykaa, as I mentioned, Nykaa has more kajal, they are also jet black, but this stays on. This doesn't budge. This is not going anywhere. But yes, a well discovery, and you will just love it. So now you have 7 smudge proof kajals, and yes, they are easily available, leaving the Tarte one. But yes, you have more options to choose from, and they definitely fall into a good pricing. Everything will be linked in my description if you want to grab one for yourself, but I bet you whichever you pick, you're just gonna love it. Now these kajals have been laid on my hand for quite some time. Now this is definitely the last one I just put, so leaving that one, at least the first 6 I'm not expecting them to budge or move. So I'm just going to show you. See, the last one is going to move a bit because I put a little extra, but other 6 are not going to move at all. I'm putting a lot of pressure and they're not moving. Let me see. No, they don't move. They don't move. They don't move. See, even this is not going to move. You just have to allow your eyes to just set. So yes, all of these kajals are smudge proof, water resistant, and you are just going to love them on your eyes. I hope you loved watching this one. Consider subscribing and following me on my Instagram @BrandsandGeek. I will be here soon with some more eye makeup, some top eyeliners and mascaras as well. Stay tuned, hang in there, consider subscribing and following me on my Instagram. I will see you in my next one. Till then, you take care and ta-da!